for quail, fluttering by. Q is for queen, waving high. Q is for quilt, cozy and bright. Q is for quoll, sneaking at night. Q, 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 come sing with me. Q is for things as fun as can be. Q, 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 let's learn and play with all the letter Q words today. Q is for quartz, running with glee. Q is for quacka, hopping so free. Q is for quill, riding with flair. Q is for quartz, sparkling with care. Q, 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 come sing with me. Q is for things as fun as can be. Q, 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 let's learn and play with all the letter Q words today. Q is for quiver, arrows in line. Q is for quinces, tasty and fine. Q is for Q-tip, cleaning with ease. Q is for Q, waiting in peace. Q, 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 come sing with me. Q is for things as fun as can be. Q, 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 let's learn and play with all the letter Q words today. Q is for quiet, a calm little space. Q is for Quetzal, with beauty and grace. Q, 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 come sing with me. Q is for things as fun as can be. Q, 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 let's learn and play with all the letter Q words today. Q, 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 we had some fun learning about Q, now we're all done. Q, 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 now you can see all the wonderful words starting with Q. R for rat, running so fast. R for rabbit, hopping at last. R for rose, so bright and sweet. R for rainbow, a colorful treat. R, R, what do you see? All the things that start with R. Come along, sing with me. R, R, what fun will be. R for robot, dancing around. R for rhino, strong and proud. R for raspberry, juicy and red. R for rain, falling overhead. R, R, what do you see? All the things that start with R. Come along, sing with me. R, R, what fun will be. R for raincoat, splashing in puddles. R for ring, oh what sparkles. R for rocket, zooming high. R for radio, tunes in the sky. R, R, what do you see? All the things that start with R. Come along, sing with me. R, R, what fun will be. R for rock, sturdy and round. R for room, where fun is found. R for radish, crunchy and bright. R for rattle, shaking with delight. R, R, what do you see? All the things that start with R. Thanks for singing, yes it's true. R is special just like you. R for remote, changing the show. R for red, in a lovely glow. R for river, flowing with glee. R for reindeer, flying so free. S is for sheep, so fluffy and white. S is for shark, swimming with might. S is for snake, slithering low. S is for seahorse, dancing in flow. S, 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 let's all sing.
tiger, big and strong. He roars in the jungle all day long.
T is for turtle, slow and sweet. He walks on the sand with little feet.
T is for tree, so tall and wide, with branches where the birds like to hide. T is for teddy, soft and dear. He loves to cuddle and snuggle near.
T is for train, it goes so fast, chugging along, its journey's a blast.
T is for telephone, ringing loud. Hello, who's there in a big crowd? T is for tomato, juicy and red. In salads or sandwiches, it's so well spread. T is for teacher, so kind and smart, teaching us lessons of love and heart. T is for table, where we eat with plates and cups, it's a yummy treat. T is for truck, big and strong, hauling things all day long.
T is for television, shows on screen with colors and stories so bright and keen. Is for tea, hot and nice,
in a little teacup, it's so precise. T is for toothbrush, clean and bright, brushing your teeth morning and night. T is for t-shirt, comfy and cool, wearing it to play or to school.
T is for teapot with steam that swirls, pouring tea gently for boys and girls.
T is for tree, so tall and wide, with branches where the birds like to hide.
T is for tomato, juicy and red.
In salads or sandwiches, it's so well spread. T is for teacher, so kind and smart, teaching us lessons of love and heart. T is for table, where we eat with plates and cups, it's a yummy treat. T is for truck, big and strong, hauling things all day long. T is for toothbrush, clean and bright, brushing your teeth morning and night. T is for t-shirt, comfy and cool, wearing it to play or to school.
T is for teapot with steam that swirls, pouring tea gently for boys and